Hello guys, this is Vinit again. It is 2nd of August and I wanted to give you guys a quick update as to what's going on in the marketplace. Right now is a carnage. It's an absolute carnage and the drawdowns are going up left and right and it is all happening, and I wanted to tell you guys as to what's going on and what's our take and what to expect. Okay, first of all, what is happening? What's happening right now is stock market is crashing left and right. It's taking a huge beating, and what is the reason behind it? Because the main reason behind it is, let me actually pull up the chart for S&P. S&P 500. Okay, all right. So you're looking at the 4-hour chart. Let me do like a 1-hour chart so you guys see what's going on. Okay, guys. So even though we are actually short the market, I did a couple of videos some time back to tell you guys as to what we thought. And again, you can see a little diagram and our signals that we were expecting the stock markets, the S&P 500, to come out of this flag formation and go sharply lower, and that's exactly what's happening. But usually what happens is, if a stock market is going down, people are selling their shares, obviously, and they are raising dollars against those shares. So every trade has two things. One is selling, but what is it that you are getting in exchange for your shares? You're getting dollars, because there was a huge negative news that came out today about the US dollar, that the employment number was a lot lower than expected. So now the dollar is taking a beating. So what's happening now is people are selling their shares, getting the dollars, and then converting the dollars into Swiss franc, because that's what they think is a safe haven. So Swiss franc is getting a huge bid right now, and everybody is exiting shares, everybody is exiting dollars, everybody is exiting oil because the economy is slowing down. Canada is looking ugly, so Canadian dollar is taking a hit. So now US dollar is taking a hit, Canadian dollar is taking a hit. What's gaining is CHF, Swiss franc. So now, even though we are prepared for it, so let me show you guys what's happening on USDCHF. That's the main pair that is causing the havoc in the marketplace. Okay, guys. So, all right. So you're looking at an hourly chart. Let me change that into a 4-hour chart, so it'll give you a bit better picture as to how extreme the sentiment is right now. All right, guys. So you are looking at the RSI sitting at 17. It went down to 16 about a few minutes ago when I started recording this, and there's a bit of a bounce back after that. It is looking ugly, guys. It is really ugly. This kind of sentiment has happened never before. Absolutely never. This is once ever. This kind of sentiment, negative sentiment, this kind of RSI reading, I want to say never. If it happened for a few seconds and it bounced right back. So is it going to bounce right back this time? I don't know for sure. The rest of the day, we need to be very careful. We need to watch this thing very carefully. If you can add a little bit of equity on your account to be on the safe side, that would be great. If not, that's also fine. We think we'll be safe, we'll be back. So what's that doing is it's affecting our trading on pairs like CADCHF is the one that is getting affected the most as we speak. And then again, look at this, guys. Look at this, 18 RSI on 4-hour. This is crazy. It has never ever happened. Even the last one, when it got ugly, it was like close to 20. Right now, it's sitting at 18.36. That is absolutely crazy, guys. This is RSI 21, not RSI 14. So anytime it gets to these extreme levels, usually it's followed by a huge bounce back. Bounce back, and that is when we are expected to recover all of our drawdown. So rest of the day, guys, I don't know, because sentiment is so extreme. It may take a day and a half where we carry this drawdown, but we will get out of this. So as I said, if we can add some equity, that'll be great. But I don't think we'll need to. We should be okay. So I know these are testing times. I know sentiments are high right now, but we are on top of it. Our own accounts are going through the exact same thing. So that is why we need to keep faith in our strategy, because it has worked for us over the years. through so many of these kind of situations. Worked for us through COVID. It has worked for us through the great financial crisis. It has worked through recessions, crashes. So we have to keep trust in our strategies. We have to keep trust that, hey, even though markets are at extremes right now, we need to trust where all the work that we have put into over the years, when we cannot deviate from that. And that is very, very important, to keep the cool, to keep the calm, and follow our strategy. And then not hope. Hope is not a strategy. Okay, that is what I have learned in Forex trading for all these years. Okay, hope is not a strategy. Wish is not a strategy. Strategy is something that is proven itself. Strategy is when to open up your trades. I know it's very difficult to see that trades are being opened at this point. But, as I said in my other series, Puke Trades, the trades that give you the most profit are open at the time that seems the absolute worst. So why we do that is because that's what worked for us. That's what works in the marketplace. So that's what I'm saying. Today, we may see a bit more further down drawdown, even though things are looking at, they've reached their absolute extreme. Can it go further down? 100% it can go further down. Will it? I don't know. But we're ready. So, any questions, any concern, guys, please, please, please let us know. We are in this together. We are going through the exact same thing on our accounts. Does it feel bad? Yes, of course it does. Right? But we cannot deviate. That is 100% sure, that we cannot deviate from how we trade. We have to keep it to our strategies. We have to keep doing what we have been doing to stay safe in these markets. So work with us, guys. I am in it together with you guys. All our traders are in it. All our accounts are in it together with you guys. And just to give you an idea, some of our accounts are six-figure accounts. Some of our accounts are 75K plus. So substantial amount of money is involved right now. All of our trades are exact same. The ones that are on your accounts are the same that are on our accounts. So I just wanted to, reach out to you guys, let you guys know that, hey, we're on top of this. We are monitoring this, and we're in this together. So I'll keep you guys posted as and when things turn, which they should. Looking at these extremes, every time something like that happens, if there is such an extreme, things do bounce back, and they will bounce back. It's just a matter of time. It's just keeping our cool, keeping our calm, and knowing that, hey, we're in this together, and we'll sailed in this together. We'll sail out of this together. All right, guys. I'll keep you guys posted, and you guys have a great rest of the day.